Blood and bone marrow basics. Introduction. Which of the following parts of blood fight diseases? Choose one of the following options. 1. Platelets. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells. Correct. White blood cells fight disease and infection by attacking foreign material and killing germs that get into the body. Stem cells in the bone marrow can grow into all three types of blood cells. Select true or false. Correct. Anemia frequently causes what symptom? Choose one of the following options. 1. Increased energy. 2. Fatigue. 3. Improved skin color. Correct. Which one of the following blood tests is specifically ordered to examine blood cells under a microscope? Choose one of the following options. 1. Complete blood count. 2. Blood smear. Correct. A blood smear allows a healthcare provider to examine blood and blood cells under the microscope. This allows the healthcare provider to see the shapes of the cells. Thank you for using Explain.